How to create a zoom out reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth zoom out reveal effect in CapCut step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials. First, open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Now, open your project and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now, select the In tab to control how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Zoom Out. Tap on Zoom Out to apply the animation effect to your clip. You'll now see the video smoothly zoom outward and reveal the scene with a clean and cinematic motion effect. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the zoom animation plays. A shorter duration makes the reveal feel faster and more energetic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more dramatic zoom effect. Now preview the animation and adjust the timing so the zoom motion matches your video properly. And that's it. That's how you can create a zoom out reveal animation in CapCut Mobile easily.